Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, I'll be reviewing the AirTags 2. Now of course the AirTags 2 is from Apple and it allows for tracking of various items that you may have. Now I highly recommend that with the AirTags 2 you get one of these cases. Now this case will allow it to be attached to a keychain or to a bag very easily, and of course especially for keychains that you'll be able to track your keys or track your bags. This can be great for if you're traveling in terms of airports to know where your bags are, or of course if you are prone to losing your stuff, you can actually add this to your stuff to actually locate them. Now version 2 is very much louder in terms of the sound, and of course it can be detected more efficiently. Now how this works, it is use the iPhone network to actually create like a mesh network to ping the devices that's close to it. So it will ping other iPhones and use those to locate the particular item. In order to set this up, bring it close to your phone. It's very easy. I have a separate video on that. All you gotta do to use this is go ahead and use the Find My app. Once you're in the Find My app, what I like is that the sound is very good. So for example, it's able to play sounds. I can easily use the find feature and it will locate the device. It's very precise. You can actually move it around. You can see where it is on the map, and of course you can actually mark it. All right, so that's one of the cool features. You can actually share it as well. It allows you to go through various settings, including if somebody finds this, you can actually have your contact information paired to it. And of course you can say notify me when I'm leaving it behind. All right, so that's one of the cool features of the AirTag. You'll find it under items, and of course you can use the Find My for your other devices as well. Now what I like about the AirTags is, as I said, you can attach them to a bag. It's definitely version 2 is very much more refined. In terms of buying, definitely buy version 2 over the versions 1s, as the version 2 has the cool new features in terms of loudness and precise finding. All right, so definitely the AirPods 2 is worth purchasing. Sorry, not the AirPods 2, the AirTags 2, that is easier to use, and they're definitely worth it. They come in very affordably. You can buy them as a pack or as a set, and they work along with your other device. I use this one as a keychain, and it's very easy to find my keychain, or it can warn me when I'm leaving, for example, my keys behind. All right, some people even use them for tracking like vehicles and so on by removing the speaker. And overall, it's a very cool item that's worth playing around with, especially to add to your keys so you can easily locate them. If you lose them around the house, you can actually use it to find it. And if you're traveling, your bag can always easily be found. All right, what affects you getting this? If, for example, you're in a country with a lot of iPhones, you'll find that this works flawlessly, especially when it's out in public, if something were to be lost. If there's a limited amount of iPhones in your country, it will not work as well. So in America, these works flawlessly. So it's best to use these based on the type of phones that dominate in your country. So if iPhones are dominant, then of course you could definitely use the AirTags tool. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's a very solid item and it's worth the purchase. You definitely want to check these out. In terms of ease of use, it's very easy to use. Bring it close to the phone, few taps, it's set up and it's easy. Even if you do not, you're not even an expert at setting up tech, you should find it that it's easy and convenient to do the setup. Overall, I love this item and I'll definitely buy it again. And I give it a 10 out of 10, as I said. You can check it out in the description, and of course you can like this video or ask any direct questions about it. I'll definitely answer as it relates to their functionality and how they work. So if you have any specific concerns, you can ask. All right, so do hope this was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.